Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix iPhone apps not downloading after iOS update. If you're using any iPhone and you're facing the issue that your iPhone apps are not downloading after iOS update, so let's see some possible fixes for this. The very first thing, you just have to make sure that you have a stable and the strongest network connection. That might be your Wi-Fi, cellular data. You can also try to switch between your Wi-Fi and cellular data, or you can try to enable and disable your airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times to make a quick refresh with all of your network settings. Then go back from here and open your settings app, go to general, go to software update, and you just have to make sure that your software is up to date just when you pending update for your software, because sometimes it might be that your software is not up to date, or after updating software some updates might remain. So you just have to try to check for software update. If you find try to update your software, then go back from here and here go to iPhone storage. You have to make sure that you have almost 10 to 15 GB free in with your iPhone storage to download, install, and run any app smoothly. After doing this, you have to go back and go to App Store, and here just tap on your Apple ID in the top right. Tap on Apple ID again. Verify yourself using your Face ID or Apple ID passcode. Then select country or region, and you just have to select your own country or region from here. If you have selected your own, so there's no need to change anything. So you have to try to make a force restart to your iPhone to fix some minor glitches. Now to do that, you have to quickly press and its volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button, and wait for your phone until the screen goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. So after restarting, you have to unlock your phone, and here you have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. If your issue still persists, so there's two ways to fix this. The very first way, you have to try to downgrade your iOS version to the previous version which you are using without issue, or you can try to contact the Apple Support team to get official help. So now to do that, you have to open your Apple Support app. You can easily install this app from your App Store, or you can use Apple Support Web. Select iPhone from here, select this more option, and here you have to select App Store, and here just wait for the loading here, and then select Get More Help. Then tap on call us. After that, you'll find a phone number whenever you want to talk. You have to simply dial this phone number, and you will be connected to an Apple support team member. You can discuss about your issue and get official help from there. So after that, your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.